Teenage swimmer Sabrian Lyn is ready to carry Jamaica's medal hopes on her young shoulders at the upcoming CAC Games set for El Salvador and the Dominican Republic. 19-year-old Lyn, who is now attending college in the United States, was home recently to continue her preparation for the Games. She's expected to contest 3 events at the Games and explained where she thinks her strongest gold medal hopes lie.
But the one I'm most confident for is the 100 fly. That has been my event for most of my life, and it has been consistently my best event.
But she added that her participation at the Games is in preparation for an even bigger event, the World Championships in Japan later this year.
I'm only going to focus on my 2 best events, which is 100 fly, 100 free, but it's definitely been an experience and I really want to put myself out there for it, so yeah.
Head coach Wendy Lee has been working with Lyn since her youth and junior days and believes she's ready for the next level.
This is a senior level meet. She has already won in the Caribbean. Last year we went to the Caribbean Games and she came out a multiple gold medalist. So now we're taking it one step further, which is Caribbean and Central America and South America. So the competition is going to be tough. She's right on the edge of being one of the top contenders for medals. For sure, we're hoping that she can make it to the finals. And then when she comes back from the CAC Games, we have a few weeks at home to rest, recover, and re-find our strength, our energy, and then we're heading to Japan for the World Championship.
Lyn left the island today for the CAC Games, which begin on Friday in San Salvador.